Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be doing doe eye versus siren eye. This is a trend that's been popping, so let's get into it, y'all. Okay guys, so we're starting with the doe look. And as you can see, I'm just blending my shade in the up position. I want the doe eye to be as open as possible. So I'm blending above my crease. At this point, I just keep blending. I'm also going to bring another shade into it. And it's going to be the lighter shade. And I'm going to start at the tip of my eye. So I'm going to blend that shade with the darker brown shade. So even though we're doing this doe look, y'all, if y'all know me, y'all know I love a banging eyeliner. But for the doe look, you want the eyeliner to be up a little bit because the doe eye, it has to be open. You know, like a deer in headlights. And y'all, at this point, I'm just trying to perfect the eyeliner, so bear with me. We're going to keep it moving. A wise friend once told me to put the white eyeliner a little bit below your waterline so that it can give the effect as if your eye is more open. And if you do it that way, it gives you the doe look where your eye seems bigger than what it is, basically. I did go back and use a liquid liner. Y'all, don't judge me. I could not find my white pencil liner. But after I did that, I just used mascara to show you guys how the doe actually look. And I also will be showing you guys what the doe look with lashes. In the meantime, we're going to head over to the siren look because, baby, I'm a siren kind of girl. I have big eyes already, so I really don't like the doe look because it just made my eyes look super big. But let's get into the siren look. On this side, I'm just blending in. But as I'm blending in, as you can see, I'm bringing it to the edge. You can use tape, a credit card, something straight to give it that angled effect. But you want to angle it. You want to start from the top and then bring it to the corner of your eye. Whatever works best for you. Don't forget to bring that lighter shade and blend it with the darker shade. So basically, I'm using the same colors for this siren look on this eye as I did for the doe look. So you guys can get an idea of look, but it'll just be two different eye angles. So you'll be using the same shades basically. For the siren eye, you want to get a liner and you want to bring it to the corner of your eye. You can get a liquid liner, a pencil liner, whatever works best for you. For me, this pencil particularly wasn't working with me. So all I did was draw a line up and then I'm going to go and I'm going to shade that line with a brush. Or if you have liquid liner, you could do that as well. I'm just going to continue to draw a line on my eye. You want to angle it because you want to give it the siren look, something that's sharp, something that's precise. At this point, I'm very particular with my eyeliner, so I try to take my time while I'm doing it. But you can bring it however your eye is shaped. You want to go along with your eye shape. You don't want to kind of create a look. Also, another hack with this, if you do mess up in the corner, you can always get concealer and you can shape the corner. I did go in with the black pencil again and just kind of straighten my eyeliner because I need new liner, y'all. So my liner wasn't giving what it was supposed to give. Okay, guys, this is the doe versus the siren look. The doe has the white up under it, looks more open. This is without lashes. And this is with lashes. Lashes 101. You don't want to put your lashes on while your glue is wet. If you guys are looking for more videos on that, just drop it in the comments and I'll be glad to show you guys how to apply lashes the correct way. Here I was rushing, trying to hurry up and do stuff, so I didn't really let the glue dry. But if you let the glue dry, it becomes more tacky, and as soon as you put it on, it'll stick. I did go back with the ABH eyeliner and just kind of perfected it because I can see it with my eyes closed. This is the doe versus the siren look. I had so much fun, and if you guys enjoy watching this, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. Again, thank you so much.